Teachers and students, I am happy to appreciate and honor two of our former students and well-wishers, Mr. Vamsi and Dinesh. Please come. All of us familiar with them. I know in our school they don't need an introduction, all of you are familiar with them. I am very happy they volunteered to teach our students dances for Independence Day. As we congratulate them, appreciate them, they are our former students and well-wishers. I would also like to present a small gift for them. Thank you, Mr. Vamsi and Dinesh, for your wonderful work, for the hard work you put in. In spite of their busy schedule outside their classes and all, they found a time to come over here and teach our students. So I earnestly thank them and appreciate them.